Hello, we just have a little update here on this test bench. We are trying to install Windows, but it's not working. We're trying to install Windows 7 so that then we can go to Windows 10. So many Windows versions. Yeah. So if we load up the boot menu, CD-ROM. Press any key to boot from. Oh, it's working! It's working. Okay. We'll show you when the install menu has come up. So we are now at the Windows 7 install screen. So, of course, we want English. Next, go on Cottage Duo and install now. And setup is starting. But this is just so that we can boot off of this USB, which is currently in this Toshiba Satellite Pro. Okay, so let's accept the license terms. We want to install a new copy of Windows. Okay. We want to install it to that. Disk 0, partition 2. Okay. Boom! So as you can see right now is completing our Cottage Duo test bench is completing its installation. We'll get back to you when it's done, which is right. Oh, the CD drive is annoying. DVD drive, whatever. It's still very loud.